Yeah, it hit me like a brick wall this morning when I walked out the door.
Me too.
It's like it was just so thick, so heavy. But we're going to try to work on that a little bit this afternoon. Coming down just a smidge. We're working on some sunshine, too. Having a tough time in that department. Actually, we're going to take you back to a look at the webcam right now in North Buffalo. And we are actually in North Amherst, I should say. And we are looking at some patchy clouds drifting down across the SUNY Buffalo campus as of midday. And pretty much the same story down the southern tier. The sun's been breaking out a little bit earlier, at least down across the southern tier and areas to the south of the city. You can see that from the East Lakewood webcam by the shores of Chautauqua Lake. As we take a look at the satellite picture, these clouds have been pretty stubborn this morning, especially across the Niagara frontier. We see sizable breaks in the cloud cover down here to the south, but even the clouds across northern sections should continue to erode this afternoon. So skies will become partly to mostly sunny. It's going to be a slow process, but we'll get there. There is some drier air up over Lake Ontario. Checking out the microcast for this afternoon, pretty decent afternoon shaping up across the area with some of that sunshine breaking out. The humidity may come down a little bit, not drastically. We have a bit of a northerly flow coming down off Lake Ontario, and that actually was going to keep the lakeshore up here, the south shore of Lake Ontario, and also the lakeshore down here in Chautauqua County, a little bit cooler compared to the rest of the region with a northeast breeze. For the overnight, great night, shaping up mostly clear skies and some river valley fog setting up in the Allegheny, the Genesee River valleys. Tomorrow, back to the sunshine we go, and it's going to be the hottest day of the week with temperatures inland from the lakeshore, maybe up around 90 degrees out here around the Genesee Valley, so it's going to be a toasty one with moderate humidity. Well, that humidity will increase tomorrow night into Friday, and we have a cool front on the way. Now, there's a little change in the timing now. Earlier on Wake Up, actually, especially back into yesterday, it looked like the timing on this front would be during the afternoon hours. Looks like it's going to be scooting in here already late tomorrow night, so we could catch a shower or thunderstorm later tomorrow night, then some scatter type activity during the morning hours on Friday. This should diminish getting into the afternoon, however, and I wouldn't be surprised if we break out into some partial sun. Well, depending on the amount of sunshine we see this afternoon, generally low 80s from the Falls, the Tonawondas, over toward Amherst and Clarence. About 79 we'll do it at Medina. Again, keep in mind with the northeast breeze, Lake Ontario shoreline will be cooler than that. 79 at Wellsville and over toward Olean. Jamestown, your forecast high this afternoon, 81. This is probably overdone, this 81 at Dunkirk. Again, I think the shoreline down here in Chautauqua County, especially from about Sturgeon Point or even Silver Creek back to the west, is going to be a little bit cooler. Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca, about 82. Well, as of noontime, we're running 78 from the Falls, 77 at Buffalo. You get that sun out, these temperatures will climb easily by a few degrees. 79 at Dunkirk, a pair of 7s down there at Jamestown, 76 at Bradford, and Wellsville still at 73 degrees. Checking out your forecast details for this afternoon, the sunset time at 8:52. This evening, and upwelling on Lake Ontario, dropping the water temperature down to 58 off Rochester, 74 degrees off Buffalo on Lake Erie. Partly to mostly sunny skies this afternoon. It's going to be cooler near Lake Ontario, near the shoreline up there, and also Chautauqua County, 78 to 83. For the overnight, mainly clear skies. River Valley fog sets up again, 57 in the valleys to about 65 in the city. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, moderate humidity, and hot. Highs 86 to 90 on Friday, mostly to partly cloudy. Actually, I think we'll break out into some partial sun during the afternoon, but scattered showers and storms will wind down during the afternoon. Humid 82 to 86. And on Saturday, an upper level disturbance swings through here. Just a chance of an isolated or very spotty shower, thunder shower, 84, partly sunny, and looking pretty good for Sunday, 84 degrees. Another pretty terrific weekend heading our way, I'd say, for all the festivities in the area.
Italian Festival.
Another biggie.
Yep, tomorrow Joe Arena is going to be stacking cheese.
Cool.
The cheese builder. You'll have to go out and cheer him on.
Gotta watch this.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mike.